Good evening. Welcome to Late Back Gaming. I am RDJ, and this is episode 30 of my Satisfactory co-op live stream. If you were with us last night, we worked on getting silica set up, and we've got the circuit boards being made now. We finished that last night. And today we're going to work on getting our manufacturer set up to make the computers, and we will be done with this building here and move on to the next stuff, which will probably be phase 3, I'm assuming. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the stream, and hop back in Discord, and we'll get started.
Explaining the plan for tonight, so hopefully we'll finish. It's really only a couple of floors left of manufacturers, and then bringing up the mats and getting it done. Hopefully I don't get paged tonight. I have to sign off early. So
Let's do it.
yeah, let's do it. So I guess let's slap the machines down. That will let us know where we're bringing stuff in. So our input is usual. Well, so plastic is kind of all over the place. It's either on the south wall or on the east wall, one of them two. So we can get it there. And then the circuit boards are right below us, and they get ejected onto the which wall?
South.
So, where is the? Where? Oh, yeah, south wall. Right, and then the cable, I bet, is also below it. No, I lie. Cable is on the east wall. The hell were we thinking? I don't see cable. What is cable? I thought I just saw that machine a minute ago.
Cable's on the west wall.
On the west wall. Yeah. So, I guess either east or west. And blueprint I have, or I built thus far, was only 2 manufacturers at a time. I don't know. I guess we can slap 2 and see if we can fit 4. Because that would only be 2 floors.
Yeah. Let's do it.
I don't know.
Hey, Gambit, good to see you, brother. Yep, phase 5 and nuclear power tonight. Yep.
Yes. For sure. Get your stream where you can see it. Is this? I don't need that today. And then I wanted to do this. All right. Okay. Blueprints. Where's manufacturer? Manufacturer 2. We can possibly do 4 of them per floor. All right, so we wanted ingress to be where? Possibly on this wall.
Well,
So if this guy is here, although I can't really quite see. Ooh.
I don't think we're gonna get. No, we're not gonna be able to fit 4.
This is how it sits on 2 of them.
Yeah, not gonna work.
I mean, we can try to do this, right? And that will probably not give you enough space for the third one. And like this, will it let us side by side them? I don't know. Let's slap it on and see what that looks like. Okay, so that's 2. Manufacturer. So I assume we want them at even space. What's overlapping here? And I don't know what that looks like below. Below it looks like an absolute shit show. So that doesn't work, I suppose. I really don't want to do 4 floors of this stuff, but I guess.
I don't know what
Well,
other option we have.
Let's see if the another one will fit in. Look at this bad boy.
Jesus.
There's no way he will fucking fit in. This is not super ideal with the space for those guys. Blueprints, manufacturer. What about this way? This way shouldn't make a hell of a lot of difference, but... No, this is square. What am I doing, right? There is no way. Alright, so... Start building floors, I guess? I don't know.
Well, it's either
I
that
don't
or
know if I have...
build out here.
I don't know if I have a ton more choice. So let's park them right here. And one right here, like this. Right, it looks like it's overlapping this side, but we can delete that. Alright, there's no way we can make this work, right?
I don't think so.
1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 wide and 1, 2, 3, 4 long. So this thing is essentially 4 by 4. And with this thing being 6 by 6, there is no way it's gonna fit. No matter how we try. Alright, okay. Alright, so we want to go up. Walls, basic wall. 1, 2. Is this high enough for them? Because I think I did higher. So this is not high. So this is our usual.
No, we need three high.
Is free. No, our usual thing is free walls. I thought, and I don't know why I did 2. That's what free looks like. Is it gonna clear? It's not gonna clear. It's gonna clip through just a little bit like this. Yeah, you wanna come look? Do we wanna go 4 high, or we wanna live with this in the subfloor?
Well, for consistency, we should probably leave it to 3, right? Otherwise, we're going to be adding even more height.
Yeah, no, I get it. It's just there's gonna be 4 floors of this nightmare. But okay.
Well, I mean,
I guess let's do the next floor and see if it's not complete ass. I suppose.
yeah.
So 1, 2. So this is this, and this is the next sub.
Yep.
All right. Now we can delete this. Delete that. Okay. I forgot. I can't actually remember where they're going, so let's just do the floors. Floating floors, and then we'll figure this out. Okay. Yeah, you're doing this line? Okay, sorry, might be. Okay, so just like this. What is happening? What did I do, boss? Okay, so that should be sub blueprints. Facing the train station, which is over here. So this guy's gonna be like this. Over on this side, I think. Okay. Okay, let's see what it looks like. It's not bad, right? We just want to be able to see what machines are doing, but it's not awful, I guess. I mean, we'll see when we start running stuff with clips for things, but yeah. I guess it's not awful. Alright, so we got 4 out of 8. Just this. Okay. Turning blue. think it's facing the right way. Position the right way, right? Right, okay. Music turn on. Somebody forgotten the music.
Mm-hmm.
Richard, how are you? Rich. Welcome, welcome. Just finishing up our computer factory here. Supposed to give us 20 minutes out of this thing.
You know.
Hi.
Nice. Welcome, welcome. RDJ Jr., hello as well.
It says RDJ Jr. Hello. You showering?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright.
Doing this. I lost my mind. Yeah. Alright, let's just do a floor count. How many we got? Stairs later. Alright, so we got one. This is the first one, right? No, this is the second. Okay. Alright, so we got one floor, 2 floors, 3 floor. This is the last one. Okay. Okay. Blueprints. Play nice with me, like this, I think. Okay. Alright, that's all. Alright, 4 floors of manufacturers being deployed.
Nice.
Good. And now we can do a wall here, I guess. I guess it doesn't really matter. We're gonna have to build the ceiling on this one. Alright, is this stairs in the right place? Or yeah, it is. Because I think I dropped a hole for no apparent reason somewhere.
Excuse me.
You are excused, sir. I think we're taller than our fuel towers, bro.
We are. Definitely.
It's gonna be a ridiculous computer building now.
This is the top floor. This is it.
That's it.
Okay.
I don't know. We expanded so high after the what's that face? The refineries.
Yeah.
Almost feels like we should have doubled up the floors because now it's gonna be a tiny. The first 4 floors. Refineries reached to like 4 floors, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors above it.
Yeah.
But I guess it gives you a chance to play around with it. I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. Okay. Alright, let's go figure out how we're getting stuff up there, because this is going to be... Alright, so everything coming into them is not super high speed. The highest high speed is a 320 on the plastic. 320 on the plastic, and then there is 80 and 160. So we should probably see if we can create one manifold going to all 4 floors and then feed it from the bottom, I guess.
Yeah, that would work.
Alright, so let's reconnect the free input we need and link the outputs, I suppose. Yep. You really need to put an elevator into this thing.
I know, right?
So this is the first floor. So our inputs are like this. Oh boy. They're coming from this side, right? This is not gonna work, right?
Where are the inputs? Which side are the inputs on for the manufacturers?
This manufacturer's input is to east.
Okay.
If that helps.
All right.
So just trying to figure out how we do this. can't stack them, right? And this is not gonna work. So let's pretend that we're gonna do this, right? And this. It's not gonna work. Eventually gonna have to do something like this. And do the conveyor holes between them. Maybe. So if we pretend, let's do it from the feet side. How much space is there? There's not a ton of space on our feet side either. Not ideal. Mustard DJ, not ideal, but we're gonna have to live with it. Alright, so this is the feet side, right? So machine starts where? Machine starts over here. So this is where machine ends. Almost split it in two, do two here, two there. Gonna encroach on stairs. RDJ is gonna be super angry with that. Maybe not. I don't know. Stacking. That's too close. Abby, how are you? Good evening, good evening, good evening. I am trying to pretend that I know what I'm doing over here. Let's pretend this works. They can't be on the same level, can they? This. And then I can do this is not great. Let's figure this one out. So that's gonna go up, and that's gonna be over here. Here we can just put one right here, and it feeds from the back, like the rest of them. Oh yeah, biofuel, liquid, the liquid biofuel. Yeah, that stuff is fantastic. Same level right here. We're gonna be kind of screwed with the stairs. I don't know if I have much choice. Okay, so what's the best way to stagger them? Statistics. We are finishing our computer factory. I can give you a super quick nickel tool right here. So this is the plan, or at least the computer plan. So we're bringing in some copper, a little bit of water, and a little bit of quartz. The smelting copper ingots half go to the wire to become cable to be fed to my computers. The other half goes to the refineries, which do copper sheets using steamed copper sheet recipe, which is super awesome. And that's the piece on the outside. And this is turns into silica, where we combine copper sheets and silica to use another nice alt recipe, silicon circuit board. Big thing about this is because it's using the copper sheets from another alt, there is not really that much copper. Essentially, one copper turns into one copper sheet, right? So if you do, I know I'll actually look at it, but copper ingot to copper sheet, where is it? Copper sheet, right? So let's say copper ore 240, see it's 2 to 1 here, right? So here you essentially do 1 to 1. So we're saving half a copper here. And then the good thing about this alt recipe is that traditionally circuit board is made with copper sheets, which we're already using, but it takes plastic, and to make 80 of them, right? So if you target here 80, you need 320 plastic. So essentially, I would double my plastic needs if I didn't use only 105 silicon. So that's the factory. Originally, this whole thing was 5 per minute using non-alt recipes, so I couldn't help myself and start cooking shit. And here we are. So we're pretty much done with most of this. I can just show you real quick here. So was trying to come up with a manifold to do this. So this is the last. So there are 4 floors of these things. Oh, sorry. Let me just get the map off the screen, or the plan off the screen for you, so you can actually see what's happening. Yeah. So this is this is not, but 20 is, you know, mid-range, I suppose, but I don't know. Yeah. So those are manufacturers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 floors of manufacturers making computers themselves. Here's a floor with 6 assemblers making 80 circuit boards. See that 80 of them being made. And then below them is the constructors. Those things do the cable, I think, or this is cable, and this is silica, and this is wire. And here are the smelters, and I just went for the swim. And then right here is is where the 2 refineries are. So I think Mr. RDJ plan is to do a slanted roof over this and then close it up like this. And the building essentially now twice as taller. I'll restore our communication antenna once it's fixed. And now for the last step, now we need to feed 4 floors of those things with the rest of the mats. And I was working on designing how I'm gonna get the materials to the 4th floor and feed all 4 set of manufacturers. Not very successfully, but I was working on it. RDJ's couldn't. Oh, okay. Thank you. We do enjoy their organization once in a while, right, Mr. RDJ?
Oh yeah, that's how we do it.
Yep. Okay, so this thing needs to move forward a touch. Okay, let's do this. Right here. What are you doing to me, game? Are you not? Okay, there we go. Okay, so that works, and it actually sinks in a little more. So this would connect 2 floors together. So I'm going to do this guy. This way then? Okay, let's see if you connect. Yeah, you do connect. Okay, so we got 1, 2. They come up to this floor. No, I cannot put a splitter on top of this thing. No, of course not. So now I need to put a nozzle on this thing. What is going on? Okay. We have to be on a different level, but okay. So this guy's gonna come from this, from here. And then connect over here. And this guy is gonna be 1, 2. Now, I can't use this guy. I can only move forward. Dude, we're gonna have some serious stair problems, man.
Alright.
Although I could probably reset going the other way on the next floor, but I guess we'll see. Alright, okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay. So those go here.
Alright, circuit boards are done.
Fine, done.
They're a run to each floor?
No, I'm running the first two inputs between 4 floors.
No,
So
what
we
I'm
can
saying,
only
I've
connect-
already got circuit boards coming to each subfloor.
Oh, so why am I doing this?
I thought you were bringing plastic and whatever else
I'm
we need.
I'm bringing 2 inputs, at least. So I guess that's plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me finish this
Plastic
two,
and wire.
and then we could just feed them to that bottom floor. So, sorry, Abby. You utilize the elevators? No, we haven't, and we just talked about this. That we need to start doing this because why not? Because we should. So hopefully, Mr. RDJ will incorporate elevator into his design. Right, Mr. RDJ?
Well, sure. I didn't even know we had elevators.
Oh.
Where do I find elevators?
I never built one, bro. I don't actually know. Probably under architecture organization. I don't know. Found them?
Nah.
Organization, maybe. Transport. Trucks. Yeah, they are the transport.
Oh, yeah.
Tab on the bottom.
Yep.
Okay, where do they... Oh, I'm so confused right now. What is happening to me? See what happens when you operate in a 4 hours of sleep?
I do. What's up, kiddo?
Okay, they're here. Okay, and this is the last
Sure.
floor? No, or there is one more above it, right? Right? There is one more above this. Okay. Logistics.
Good. And then look, show you what's inside here.
Yeah, no, that's not a good idea. You go this way. this. And gonna go up from here, which will reset my thing. Okay. Alright, so it's gonna come from behind. A nice supply for relay for air conditioner.
Cool.
That sounds like fun in the summer, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I moved in my house here, when I had AC people come out to look at my unit here, they're like, "We've never seen one of those before in our lives."
Hey, Ben,
Don't
good to
know.
see you. You've never seen an air conditioner?
No. They never seen that model. Like it was so old. That, like, none of us ever experienced that one. So. 105 degrees, dude. I would have just got in my car and kept on driving. Yeah. Okay, so that's right. All right, so. Okay, so that's the next floor. Okay. Alright, so last floor here. So both in theory and only in theory, this setup should feed product through 5 floors here.
Alright.
12 floors, whatever. How many floors we got? Whatever, all the floors.
All the floors.
So, yeah, so as long as we plugged in on the first floor with assemblers into this machine, presumably, and don't quote me on this, it will feed everybody going all the way up. And I'm not sure if I placed it in the right place. But I'll find out. I think I did. So now this.
Is it bedtime?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Oh, it's a little
Night,
toilet from
Shreem.
here.
Hey, Pledge, good to see you, man. Say hi, Pledge.
Hi, Pudge.
Alright, I'll be right back. Put this kid to bed.
Alright, very good. So, the learnings here is that it needs to go, top needs to go forward a bit. Okay. So the idea is that those 2 lines right here will be fed by whatever this thing I built. So essentially it's just lifts and splitters go in for the 4 floors here. And let's pretend in neat fashion. And then we'll plug in the other thing. So we'll plastic and cable for this. And then we'll plug in the other thing for this. This is probably the part in need of the most attention. We're gonna need to move the staircase one back, which I can probably do now. No, that's not right at all. Gonna have to go on that one. Not great at all. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to redo the stairs for majority of this. I'm gonna ask Mr. Strategy how he thinks when he's back. Because we can come up here and then your staircase is behind you, so this one needs to move and so on and so forth. But anyway, leaving that shenanigans aside. So hopefully when we plug in the plastic and whatever else we need. Plastic and what else do we need? A cable. Yeah. And cable is shit, let me go find cable. I think cable is over. This was east wall. Cable is on west wall. A couple of floors below us. So I need them to come up here. Yeah. So if I sling him out right by this guy and actually, let's see if I have enough juice to measure it out proper. I made it. All right, so cable lives here. Come on. Oh, come on, don't tell me this is too long. What a pain in the back.
Okay, I am back.
Welcome back.
Thank you for the subs there. Much appreciated. How's it coming?
I am trying to get the cable up where it needs to be. Fairly unsuccessful at the moment. I need to be higher. Alright, so let me see if that will work. Of course not. Why would that work? Needs to be where? You know what? understand why that thing thinks it doesn't work. Maybe closer? I will find out.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's get it to the right spot. 4. I think it's 4. No, that was wrong. Ready to yoink Campbell over here. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, Cable, where are you at, Cable? Cable's right here. Okay. Something's working. Alright. Mr. DJ, you should see Cable coming up. Hopefully all 4 floors. So this is not it. This is not it either. So we should see Cable over here, entering the picture. Why did I remove this? Reminded me again.
Alright.
So Cable.
I see how
should feed
elevators
those
work now.
2 machines now. This guy worked. For some reason I didn't use the floor holes here, but we see Cable on this floor. I don't see Cable here. Because this guy didn't feed it anything. Let's see. see what's going on here. Oh, okay, that explains it. Okay. All right, that's fixed. It is going up. All right, so this machine now got cable. And the last machine got cable. Okay, so we got cable to all 3 floors. All right, I'm gonna go have a mental breakdown, and then I should be back in 2 minutes so we can do plastic.
Okay.
All right, I'll be right back.
I assume plastic is gonna go. Okay, yep. So I can run the circuit boards in. Right, this is alright. Yeah. Let's see. Yes. Bunch. We don't even have computers in here. This is our output. Yep. Manufacturer does take. Look at that. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Let's start running. Yeah, pretty sure that's plastic. Okay. Oh, there they are. All right, next floor. Here. And here. I think that's the last floor. Yep, sure is. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put a roof on this. Put our antenna back on it. I think we're going to change our music up. Oh. Let's try this. Deep Rock Galactic. Let's see. Where is it? Other corner. Here it is. is the right one here? How to put a roof 4 meter. Oh no. 4 meter. There we go. Okay, and flat roof. Let's see. This in like this. That. There we are. Our big antenna up there, can't we? That's it, right? Radar tower. I think that's what we put up there. Maybe not. Maybe it was no, underneath that.
Alright, I'm back.
Alright. Alright.
So we got two choices here. We could shit, this doesn't work very nice either. I might use some help with ideas here. This is not ideal
Alright.
at all. So I'm trying to connect this guy, right? And unfortunately, this guy is going over this wall. There is a conveyor over here already, and that clips into it. Go over this side. It clips into the. It probably will clip into the. Or might not. Into the water intake. If we keep it this way, it's probably gonna be okay. But let's find out if it's gonna be okay or not. In the middle here?
Let's see, where are you?
I am down on the bottom where the plastic is. Not plastic, I'm sorry, the okay,
I see.
that works. Doesn't clip that bad. I think this is workable if we keep it this way.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be super tight, but we can't move it. So essentially now two choices we got here. Let's assume we can do this through all the floors down to very bottom here. What is happening now here? Like this. I can fit it down to the bottom here, and we could probably do this and fit it into this wall. So we got a couple of choices here, though. We could either get the 140 plastic we got on one line and merge it and get the rest of that off the line we put it into here, or we can just yank this, most of this here and bring it over. And I'm not sure which way we want to go.
How much plastic do we need?
We need 320, so I got 140 here, which is the most important one. Basically, if this sink right here ever stops, we're gonna lose power. Or if those 2 feet clogged up, so we could probably leave it here for a rainy day and not fuck with it at all. But if something happens with this setup, like we're screwed, because this will back up the resin processing and kill both factories, essentially.
Oh, wow, we don't want that.
Yeah. So we can leave it for a rainy day when we really need plastic, and we can fish that out. Alternatively, this line right here is 400,
Oh, yep.
and it's not used for anything. So
Let's use this
just
one.
gotta find the way nicely. We also can't really F with this line too much, because this will back up plastic obviously and screw things over. But anyway, I guess we can sling it over rubber, bring it down this way, and then just fit it into here
That works.
and call it kind of done. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So we're gonna say 7 coming from here, and where it's not gonna look like complete disaster, like right here, you think? And then put the conveyor on the other side and move it this way, or do it right here. Right here is probably better, and just
Yeah, it's gonna look better there.
continue over the plastic like this, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna say this center output is gonna be overflow, this is gonna be any, and right is gonna be none. Okay. Alright, plastic will continue down this way. Now, it feels to me like we should run it elevated through and not bring it up and down, I guess. Like put the thing right here. Like this.
Alright.
Right? Does that work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is in line here, and then this is in line with this guy, I think. Right here. Feels to me like this is in line. Maybe not? No, it is.
Looks like it.
Yeah, so this is good. The only thing we need to do is that I need to
Be right back.
bring it up to that level. Okay. Okay, so in theory now, we should have plastic going up and up. Oh, I didn't configure that thing there. Okay, so that works. This works. It should run out of juice on me. Oof. It's a good thing this was open. Otherwise, I would die needlessly. Okay, so he came over here. This is not working. For unknown to me reason. It's working now. So this set is full of plastic. Yeah. This guy is not connected for unknown to me reasons. Okay, plastic going up. It's filling this row. Okay. This guy's getting his plastic right now. Okay. This is very exciting. This line has plastic on it. And fill this line. And in theory, it will fill the lifts. So, hypothetically, we should have plastic and cable loaded up. And now we just need to connect the other thing. So, maybe this is good.
All right. Got us running. Oh, you did. Look at that.
Okay. Yeah, I did. I think it's good. Did you? And you got the
Well,
what's the name? Connected everywhere on each floor.
yeah, I did.
Okay. It's all kind of awesome. So, are you saying we can program and turn this thing on?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. This is done. And this is done. And this is ideally not going to look like ass when we finish it. Oh, this doesn't have the beams on it. This floor doesn't have beams on it, by the way, RDJ. Maybe
A lot
it's
of
by
floors
design.
don't. Everything on
Yeah.
top of where we left off doesn't have beam.
Okay. All right. Well, we can play with the beauty later. Okay. All right. So let's program, I guess. All right. Those things supposed to run at 100%. Yeah, 100%. Making computers using regular computer recipe, I think. Yeah, computer. All right. We just need power to them. Copy settings. All right. So I just did 2. I need to do 6 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, come on. 6. 7. And 8. Okay, let's run power and see what happens. Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't work on the output. We need to do something with the output for this somehow. Maybe we should bring it down from the top floor.
Yeah, where's it eventually going? To, train station?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Alright, so let's think that through for a hot second. Okay, so here. Hey neighbor, how are you, sir? Just in time for us to finish last scramble around the train stations this way. Of course, we have a line coming in here,
Hey, neighbor.
which is not ideal.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah. This one is fixed. Okay, so I picked one of them up, so it's not on the floor. So the exit is the opposite way. They all wanna exit to the opposite of train station. So I guess we can start uniting them into here if there is space above, which I doubt it. Let's take a look where the conveyor sticks up.
Hey, Ben. I don't know. We've probably been playing 120 hours, maybe. Not a whole lot.
Yeah, it clips into the machine. Although if there is no nozzle here, that's probably okay. RJ, you wanna come look at this and see what you think?
Where are you?
I am on the second floor, I guess.
Second floor.
I'm sorry, second row of the
Manufacturers.
manufacturers. That's it. Sorry, my brain can.
Let's see here.
Actually, gonna come down to the first floor and confirm my theory.
Oh.
But see how that conveyor clips through. Yeah, that's probably okay-ish. If it sits right here.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, this will work. Okay, so I think this will work at least. So if we feed stuff into here, right, so now it's going up on the floor. So my question was really, is this okay? Does this feel okay? Like this, it's pretty close, but it doesn't clip.
Oh, yeah, that looks alright.
So let's see if we can floor hole? Yeah, I did put a floor hole. So now we need to join this one, right? So we're gonna do this. Where are you? On the square right here. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So if we do this, and then we'll do this guy coming to here. We'll use snap. Of course you will not snap. Why would you snap? But that's all right. We'll make you snap, I think. So if I go here, somewhere, like this. Did you cut the cable? Yeah, I think you did. All right. Of course not. Okay. Let's see if that works. Oh, it does. Okay. So he's snapped on that conveyor, but he didn't snap onto the. He snaps on the conveyor head, but he doesn't snap on the lift. Why is this needs to be such a pain in the ass? I don't know what to do yet. Yeah, see, he's changing. Okay. Can do this. Like this. No, I need you to snap, buddy. Can you not see the other one? What are you? I think that works though. Although this is a pain in the ass to assemble.
You make it so hard.
Well, I don't really know any other way to do this.
Oh.
Because we need to join all four of them to go on. Okay, so now let's continue trying to figure this out. I can't undo this now. Fuck. Shit, hang on. The problem is I had to undo the floor hole. Now I don't have anything there. And that's the problem. And I need that floor hole. Who's this guy? What's this guy supposed to do? This works. Even though I'm not sure if it does, but anyway. Okay, let's see if I can recreate this without destroying the world here. Why won't you work? Okay, so this one was less painful than the last one. Now this guy should have a floor hole somewhere here. What the fuck? Why is there no floor hole? I did this. There should be a floor hole there. That's because I didn't round the floor holes right here. Okay. Okay, this is good. And now the last one. The one before last, yeah, last one. It's right here. And we want to do. What do we want to do? We want to. And a train station. Where's the train station, by the way? On the opposite side of us.
East? Yeah, east. Yeah.
Yeah, east. Okay, so I want. This will come up. And this will feed going downwards. Okay. So in theory, the one on the very bottom should get all of the output possible. Unless I created a giant loop, which is also entirely possible. Work. Pushing it back, this will not work. Oh, this will probably work. It's gonna come from here. Well, first of all, let me reverse this guy. I'm getting confused. So I'm gonna want this guy to go this way. This guy. Oh, that doesn't work this way. Fuck me. Alright, let's see what the top floor has to say. Okay, here's top floor. Alright, so this thing comes up. This guy fits into this guy. This conveyor will come up. And the output of this is going where? Upstairs. Now, upstairs going up. Where's the fuck is the exit out of this thing then? Alright. There's nothing upstairs above it, right? I don't need this. I think. No, I do. There is one more upstairs. This guy, I suppose, is the top floor, right? Yes. Okay, so let's destroy that. Let's look at this. So this guy wants to go down below.
All the way down.
That's not possible. Okay, so let's for a hot minute pretend that this is okay. We'll work that this is going down. This guy needs to be going down as well, right? Which way are you going? You're going up. What? Okay, I gotta destroy them all. This is gonna take a hot minute, dude. Okay, so this guy needs to be... Where is he? Below. Right here. Hmm. Why don't you flip in directions? So that's right. Now you should be connecting with an arrow going down. Yeah, arrow going down. Okay, good. Okay, so that floor here. This guy is going to continue going down. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. This guy will continue going down. Right? Right. Okay.
Correct.
Now, I can do this here to connect him. Yeah. Yeah, that looks right. So now we're gonna go free here. Here. Okay, so presumably this is going down. Now here. This is going down, yes. So this is going down now to this level where this guy is gonna get deleted. Whatever's happening here is gonna get deleted. It's gonna get deleted. It's gonna get deleted. This guy's gonna land right here. Yeah, see, now this guy says I'm going up, and I don't understand why. Why are you trying to go up here? Yeah, this thing that says I'm going down. And if this thing is going down, why is this one trying to go up? Okay, I'm removing this guy. I'm gonna do this again. Come on, game. Help me out here. Okay, it's going, now it's going in the right place. Okay. Okay. This been fixed. Now, so this hole should be correct. This one definitely getting deleted. Yeah, going down, yes. Okay. Okay, and this is the bottom floor. Okay, so this is where all the shenanigans are gonna start. And here, this one is going this way. And that should work. To get out of this door. It's gonna go here. Okay. Did you ever want to turn them on or what?
Do it.
I think I finally got it worked out. And last floor. To turn on. Okay, all 4 floors are on now, I think.
Running?
Running. Trying to see if they actually producing things. It's going into the sink. I saw a computer not moving here. Yep. Which means it's not connected right here for some strange reason. Oh, you don't think this is connected then? This can't be that fucking hard. Presumably that didn't work. Oh no, it did work. It's not going down here. This guy's not taking them in. This is so fucking janky.
Janky, huh?
Yeah. No, I can connect it from this side. Oh, it moved an inch. Okay, good. That's good. Okay. That's flowing. What are you doing? Presumably you went down here? Yeah, it's coming, I guess. Organization, logistics. See what computer has to say. 20 a minute.
Very nice.
Okay, now we can just close up the walls and create up and call it done.
Yeah.
Or well, we need to drop this to the deck somewhere. Begin with, but yeah. Making stuff. Yeah. Hearing's strange echo, or this is how those things operate. I don't know. Good now. Yeah, map is back up again. Yeah. Yeah, let's figure out how we drop it down to the deck and feed it to the depot. Okay, so they're right here. They're coming out facing the train station. And if we drop them directly down, we just have to get them over the pipes, I suppose. Logistics. Oh, it's gonna be right in front of the door. This is gonna be great.
See?
We're gonna have,
It worked out.
We're gonna have to move the door. Okay, I got him out to the deck.
All right.
It's not completely overlooking, but that train station is, busy. Okay, so it's gonna take a hot minute for it to load the train station, like probably a day or so. But it's all right. Train can carry some, as opposed to all. What are you up to?
Oh, trying to encapsulate the building here. Ran into a slight issue, but I guess it's not that big of a deal. Hey, Germany, good to see you. Sort of my first playthrough, yeah. Played a little bit, never got this deep into it. The Sergey here, Bald Ferret, he's played a bit more than I have.
Yeah, but not by much. Okay, there's no broken walls here. Okay, this just looks okay. How many floors we ended up with?
Oh, I don't know.
1,
10?
2, 3, 4.
Can't figure out why these floors don't align. It's really bothering me.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 floors in here, yep. Floors should be aligned?
I don't know. Something's not
it-
right.
It's the beams might be throwing things off, huh?
No, it's not. Beams are fine. Figure out why this. I mean, it should, in theory, all be aligned, but it's not.
Which part is not?
The new part I built, it's not lining up right. I mean, the windows line up right, all that. I mean, it all lines up right, but something.
Yeah, they're not aligned.
Right.
The
I know.
floors. They off by a meter right
Like-
here.
Yeah, I can't figure out
Be-
how to fix it.
because, well, you can't fix it unless you redo the floors. Right, so you need to offset it with a beam somewhere,
Yeah,
or dip it in somewhere.
I'm not gonna worry about it.
Because the glass lines up. Which part doesn't line up for you, though, boss?
I'm over here, to the other side.
Yeah.
You look at the.
Get some speed here. So it takes me an hour. Okay.
The building on the right is the old one. The new buildings are on
Yeah.
the left here, and you see how the walls align.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you dip the bottom wall into the mirror? Is that a thing?
It can, but then it doesn't align right. You'll see what I mean. It still won't align properly with the window edge.
Because this will run into the window, right?
Do it a half click up, but it's. I tried that, and that makes it align. But then the bottom part where the wall meets the window doesn't align from to the other building.
Well, so do this. All right.
Nope, windows don't align to the other building. Yep. Something's off. I'm not going to worry about it because I'm not fixing all this just for that. I'm not, so.
So let's start with that. This lines up, right?
Yep. Lines up.
Try this.
I think maybe this needs to be dropped down one. Like this. That'll align them. Yep, that works.
Here you go. All right. Which means it's cigarette time for me. I'll be right back.
Alright. Same problem there. We're gonna have to run this around. Shh. Just come on, really. So now that all aligns, oddly enough. I wonder how that happens. That's not aligned though. Alright, whatever. Works. Which means that needs to go down in that, right? Should align. Alright, same thing here. Okay, that's good. Now he's got to do it down below. Beams there, beams are there. That's good. Beams are there. And beams are there. Alright, so now we got to do it to these bottom floors, unfortunately. Then we just have one more floor to go, and then we're going to kind of try and angle this roof down a little bit. Meet the building somewhere. Alright, let's see. Down. Let's see if we can go here, probably. So this goes this. It's good.
I'm back.
Hello.
The computer's going down into the train station.
I gotta
Train
go
probably
look.
just took them away. No, there's 20 here. I wonder why he didn't pick him up. Guess I'll wait for the next train to see if he actually grabs him. This thing is set to load, yeah. Maybe the other side is not set to unload. I'm gonna look. Looks like everything is closed up here. This is also closed up. Big thing is this guy's receiving things. This guy. Yeah, he is. Okay, good. 280 is a little much. It should be 80 to 100, something like that. Yeah. That's about right. Alright, where's my train? Oh, train, where are you?
Dark.
That's not right. Yeah, Gambit is doing a heist. Train is inbound. Okay, so... Hey, I rolled 2. Okay. I got 15 here now. Let's see if he loads them onto the platform.
Carrying back.
Something really strange happening with this. Yeah. He's okay. I'm gonna take a ride to the other train station, see what's up.
Alright.
Make sure our computers find new home.
Ooh. Alright, there we are.
Hey, me and Gambit both came back. And you.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, we all came back. Yeah, there are computers in here. Okay. Should be... Should be some on the bottom. Unload, yeah. Why didn't you unload? That makes no sense to me right now. Oh, did I not? Does it need to be set here? Timetable. Guys, no. Where was it?
Alright, let's see here how I gotta do this. something like that. And then let's see if we can get this to work. Let's see how this looks.
Why are you not unloading? Sir?
Not doing what you want?
You said, yeah. You set to unload. Incoming transfer rate. Why aren't you unloading? Yeah, there's got stuff in it, but he's not unloading. And I don't understand why. Cancel, save, save. Okay, see if that will help. Where's our illustrious train? And where is it? Am I blind? Guess so.
I hear it.
Oh yeah, it's making a Yui right now. It's leaving the station. Yeah, let's see if you'll unload this time. Yeah, look at that. There you go, put my computers over there. There you go, computers are being loaded into the container. Now they're going up to the... Why don't I see you here? Oh wait, it's a mess. Alright, hang on. Yeah, this doesn't need to be here. Okay, now it's working. Okay. So we're going here. And then the rest of that is going to be overflow, which is going to get dumped into a sink when this guy fills up appropriately. Okay, good. Okay, so I figured that part out. I think we're good. Where is the source? Right there. So somewhere here, supposedly, there's iron ore. Right, so which factory we're starting tomorrow?
Fuck, I don't know.
We got options for heavy modular frames or weapons factory. or we can
I
work
guess
on
we'll do modular frames.
on crystal oscillators too. I'm gonna do heavy modular frame, huh?
May as
One
well.
more. And then we'll come back here and do the weapons factory.
Sure.
Good looking complex we got going over here.
Not too bad, eh?
Somebody put ACs on top of that roof. Look at you. Yep. Looks good. This wall needs to be restored. This wall needs to be restored. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. I like it. you doing with the windows on the slope? There's no
What?
window type
Mm-mm.
angles.
Not.
So what you're gonna do there, metal?
Yep. Already got the one side finished.
We're missing window on the top floor. I'm gonna go fix it. I put whatever is not the special stuff on this side too.
Alright.
What do I got? A window missing. Close to the top. I can't find it. Ooh, I thought I was losing it. Okay. Fixed. a masterpiece, Mr. RDJ.
Look too bad, does it? Except this beam don't want to go straight. Yep, it's not wanting to go straight. Why is that? The other one had no problem. That's straight. That looks good. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Nice. Alright. Let's go take a look. Oh, that ain't too bad.
I wouldn't post it on Reddit, but it looks pretty good.
I wouldn't either.
Robert, we just finished a 20 per minute computer factory. This is this building in front of you.
Where are the computers coming out?
All this stuff is going in, computers coming out.
Where are the computers coming out?
Train station. Okay. Right here. They come out of this chute right here.
Oh, alright. Yep, yep.
And they get loaded into this here containers.
Then up top.
This one up top already full. That's our personal stash. The rest of them get into this container, which in turn gets loaded into the train station. Train is picking it up right now. He will head out with a load of computers. You can't look at train station right now because he's loading.
Yep.
Now he's leaving. So he took all the computers with him, and he'll unload them on the other side, and they get stored there for when we start distributing them.
Perfect.
All right.
There they are. Sweet.
And there should be quite a bit of rubber. TTT turbogen. You mean turbo fuel plant, Robert?
Yeah, I'm not sure what he means.
I just heard one of the water pumps killing bombs. Oh, no, we're not in a phase where we have blenders yet, and so turbo fuel is not much of the option. Right here is the is rubber and plastic plant, and behind it is our power plant, or the biggest one is this guy right there, and that's running diluted. Well, it's running HOR/diluted fuel recipe, so 80 gens in there, so it's 20 gigawatts right here. So essentially, this is HOR machines, and this is packaging and unpackaging to produce fuel, and this is the fuel towers in the middle. And we're probably not gonna do turbo fuel if we can help it. I don't know. We would about I don't know, RDJ. How long do you think?
What's that?
About a couple of how long we've been at it?
Probably 120 hours.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna skip turbo fuel and go for rocket fuel if we have enough power in us. But if not, I don't know. We'll decide. I would like to not to do turbo fuel because rocket fuel is
Oh,
much
shit.
more efficient.
Got beam.
You forgot a beam, dude. You forgot two, I think, to be honest with you. Or you don't put one above the windows.
Where? Oh, there. I see.
No,
I see.
no, you don't. Where the platform is right now, but you don't put one above the windows anyway, so.
Nah. All
I
right.
thought when we were talking, I heard one of the water gens spinning down. I'm gonna go see if one of them needs a swift kick in the butt. Yeah, this guy. Oh, did I not? 83 free, and they run at 88%. Did I get this right? Wrong? Oh, they should be at 73 4.
Oh, the two over there?
Yeah. Yeah, the two I put in for the to feed the steam copper sheets production. Okay, so hopefully they'll stop doing that. Yeah, this guy's 100. Okay.
Well, the next thing is to cover our train station.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of very elaborate station designs over there. Out there in the Reddit land, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I hope I left you enough space with the signaling. I guess you can extend one of the extend one more on either side. Right, we don't have any more. Oh well.
Oh, Robert, this is all on a dedicated server, so Sergey owns it. That's Bald Ferret that I'm playing with. He owns the server. And we just play from there.
Look at that. You decided that train station should not float in midair?
Yeah, but there's a problem. On this corners down here, it runs into the water pipes. How do we make the buildings look so good? Oh, thank you. I don't know. Just kind of wing it, to be honest. Don't really have much experience with it, so just kind of building different things and seeing what works. Let's see. Yeah. See what I mean about these pillars?
I mean, if you use the big one, you can just put a water hole through it.
That's true.
It's gonna grab most of this real estate.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
and pretend that this was supposed to be that way.
Yeah.
Maybe like this.
Well, it's gotta get that side one, but it's alright.
Yeah. It's still not great because the piping is right there, and we can't cover it up.
We could extend it back one more, the platform, I guess.
Yeah, you can. Well, it's probably going to take more than one more, because on the other half of that tide. So if you extend it, it's like right here. If you extend it, it might actually drop you right in the
No,
water.
I mean,
Check it out.
look up. No, look up like this.
Oh. I was gonna suggest this way. You know what I'm saying? Like this. Where's it going? And that thing almost doesn't collide with anything. Oh shit, it does collide with a little one. Never mind.
Look at this. That works.
We'll go with the idea.
Oh shit, this doesn't go through.
Oh, it will not let you put the wall there.
Mm-mm.
Slap the thing, then delete it, and then put the thing back up.
Say again.
Plus, I said put the wall there, right? Regular wall. Put the pipe, whatever, pipe hole through thing, and then delete the wall and put the beam back up.
All right. Hey, Thin Blue Line. Good to see you, brother.
Alright, boss. I'm gonna go sleepy. This is
Alright.
my time. It's school night, and I only slept for like 4 hours, so. Because last night was not the greatest night of my life.
No?
No, not really.
Hey, welcome to Laid Back Light again, Ben. Good to see you, as always. Oh, we're gonna have to do it on that side too, aren't we? Yep. Alright, we get some sleep, and I'll check you tomorrow.
Alright, very good, sir. Everyone, have a great night. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll probably make plans for the Heavy Mojo frame. I think I have a framework. The
Alright.
location and stuff to do.
Sounds good.
Alright. Good night.
Good night, man. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer. Maybe get some of this worked out. Alright, let's see here. Bring this out. Let's get rid of that. No worries then. Appreciate you stopping in, saying hello. Always good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. Let's see, now it's going to come to this pipe. Where is it? Architecture? Yeah. That's alright. Do the same thing as before. All in. Let's see, we gotta move this back. So there. Ooh, it's not gonna fit. It's gonna look a little tacky, isn't it? Yep. Alright, let's see what we can get. Let's see if this wall hole goes in. Everything's in good. That. And put. Oh, good way to do this. Put it there. Not going to be able to see it. Maybe you will. Be able to see it is the problem. Shoot. Oh, I know what we'll do. I got an idea. Let's do this. Let's do like that. Then we'll see if we can do this. That's gonna work. There we go. Looks good. Got supports there, but we can bring some more down maybe. I'd like to maybe do something different eventually. So we gotta bring this in as well. This has to go down. I suppose we'll just put it into the water. All right. Let's see, this is fine. This is technically holding it up, I guess. Oh. Wouldn't hurt, but something like this here. Definitely gonna decorate it all eventually. That works. I wonder if we need that. There we go. That looks better. Oh yeah, that's good. That'll be fine. And then we'll start building walls up here. Leave a gap here. Where the train can get in. Leave a gap like here to probably here. Maybe here. Not sure how we want to do this. We wanted to start doing like how we want to do this. Let's think about this for a minute here. I want to shy away from doing a box, but we can do like maybe a couple windows up an angle, maybe a roof around. What else could we do? We could bring this up and angle it. Or we could box this in, right? Then angle it down somehow. What else could we do? not really sure. Let me look online. That's kind of cool. Oh, I do kind of like that. It's not a bad idea either. Ooh, I wonder if we could do that. Let's try something like that. It's kind of a good idea. What we might be able to do is, let's see, questions, do we want to bring big pillars? Yes, we could. I wonder how that would look. Let's try something here. Let's do... Right, is that it? Oh. Let's see what we can do. Like this. Put it here? No, we're gonna want to put it here. Then let's see, do we have curved wall pieces or not? Excuse me. Doesn't look like it. So I wanted to do like a little curve here. I don't think we have curved wall pieces. Like half circles? Should probably get off the track. Let's see, what about... No, that's not gonna work. Do this, but I want it on the wall, you know? I wish I could turn it somehow. Can't put it on top. Well, only other thought would be I could keep that on the wall though. It's not going to work. These are too big anyway, I think. Maybe. Be one higher, maybe. What if we did the same here? What else could we do? Oh, that's 4 color. And we can maybe put some windows in, maybe? Or we could do... What about... round concrete? That looks like... Interesting. What about some windows? Question is, what kind of windows? We've already got those over there. We should make them look a little different. What we could do is down the middle. Sort of. No, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't think I like those windows there. Well, not those type of windows, I guess I should say. What else do we got? Hex frames, the full frames, honeycomb. Did like this. Guess we could change the color. We did metal. learn something different. Or do like copper finish to it, maybe. I wonder if we could do like something like that. It doesn't look bad. Or should be carbon steel also, shouldn't it? Or what's the chrome finish look like? I don't like the carbon steel. What if we did a chrome on maybe the windows? It's not too bad. That would need to come all the way down. The question is, how high do we want this to go? Well, I might sleep on this. Get some inspiration tomorrow somehow. Let's see. I do believe that is all I'm doing for tonight. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching, y'all. Try a row of the large pane windows instead of the steel. Oh, that's a good idea again, but large pane windows instead of a wall. Let's see here. Full frame like this. That looks pretty good. I should roll them out. That doesn't look too bad, actually. Or should the full frames be top and bottom? That in the middle, I think that might look better. So, like, go check that out. Nah, that doesn't look good, does it? What if we did? I'm not sure I like these. What about? It's gotta be. No. Doesn't look too bad, actually. That or the other way. That actually looks pretty good, I think. Got a little opaqueness to it. It's not too bad. A lot of work using large signs in the middle row. Let's see. Where are the large signs? Yeah, so right now we're kind of limited on... Ooh, it's too big. Signs because they need the... those things, the bottom right, which we are short on. So I don't want to use a whole lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're holding off on doing that, but signs aren't a bad idea. I don't know how that would work. We could double them up, one on each side, I guess. It's not a bad idea. I wonder if it will look better with these. Like switched, maybe? I don't know if that would look better switched or not. Let's try it. Oh. That actually kind of looks better, I think. Steel beam gonna work. Is it a workbench? Well, that kind of looks a little better. The question is, if we connect this all around, what we're going to do with the roof. If we color this, what we want to do, I don't know. Here comes the train. Alright, well, I'm going to think about this. see if maybe I can find some more design inspirations tomorrow. So, thank you all so much for watching. Hit that like button and consider subscribing if you are new here. Be back with more Satisfactory tomorrow. We're going to work on the whatever that first icon is, the 2500 one. We're going to start working on those, I think. And go from there. Here comes our train. Everything's going good. We got all our computers running down there tonight, so that worked out good. We finished this building. There goes, buddy. See ya. And I might try and work on this maybe tomorrow if we got some time, but we're going to have to figure out how to start getting phase 3 get done here. Yeah, that's all I got, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. See you tomorrow night for more Satisfactory. Take care.